Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to loop in Audacity. So let's get started. Open your audio track in Audacity. Click and drag to highlight the portion of the audio you want to loop. Ensure each segment suitable for looping, like a musical riff or a beat. Once selected, copy the highlighted segment using Ctrl C on your keyboard. This action copies the selected audio to the clipboard. Move the cursor to where you want the loop to start. Paste the copied segment using Ctrl V on your keyboard. Repeat this process to paste additional copies, creating the desired loop length. Playback the looped section to ensure it seamlessly repeats. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.